So I have another product right here for Tony's Tool Reviews, and I've got a lot of water on my pool cover, and you can get those cheap little pool covers with the siphon thing that you squeeze, and they seem to work once or twice and then they fart out on you. They're like 25 bucks. I picked this pump up for about 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link to this in the description of this video over to it. This pumps out 350 gallons of water per hour. Will work in 1/8 inch deep water, and has a 25-foot cord on it, and you can hook it right up to your pool receptacle outside. If you have an outlet for your pool, you should have one with like a GFI and stuff on it, so it's safe. So we're up here in New Hampshire, and it's literally has been raining all summer. It's October, and since June we've had 3 weekends of no rain, if you can believe that. I put this pool cover on about 2 weeks ago, and there's 8 inches of water on it. That's how much it's rained. So I'm going to toss this pump in there, hook a garden hose up to it, and it'll get pumping. I have this connected to my outlet on the pool, and the instructions say it has a manual on off. Well, manual is just that you plug it in, it's on, you take it out, it's off. There's no freaking button on it. Who the hell do they think they're fooling? You just gotta kind of laugh sometimes. So you want to do is you want to throw this in the deepest part of the pool cover that's filled, which is right here in my pool. And I just got a cheapo garden hose, guys. It's all full of kinks and stuff like that. I straightened them out as much as I could. It's a 50-foot run, and I'll show you how much water's coming out of it. So it's emptying pretty good. So right now, that's the water flow out of the thing. And that's fine. I mean, I'm happy with that. Let's kind of hang out on the deck for a little bit and see what it does. Okay, so right now I just started emptying out the water, and here's what my pool cover looks like. It's almost filled all the way around. So it took about 3 hours to get the pool cover down to this level. There's barely any water left on it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'll use this pump off and on as the winter goes on until the water freezes. It's an inexpensive pump. And like I said, I'll put a description to the pump, and I'll put a link to the pump in the description of the video if you guys want to check it out and buy it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.